My name is Christopher. I'm manager of the Game On Wales project. We had a small amount of money to get the project started, and we started in Ynys Howard Park in Pontypridd on a Wednesday morning. I think back in April 2014. It's sort of now developed into a sustainable club which is affiliated with Treforest Football Club.
I was in the library in Pontypridd and one of the Game On Wales came on to me and asked me if I'd run a game of football. I said, look, you know, I'm 71, pushing 72, I can't play football. She said, no, this is walking football. I thought, I'm too old. You know, I played football when I was younger, and I thought I'd love to kick a ball about again, but I thought I can't at my age. But once you get down there and you start kicking a ball about, that's it.
We predominantly marketed it at people who are over 50. I'd say it's probably certainly more male participants than female, but we have throughout the entire 18 months always had female players involved.
Yeah, I've always played football, so sort of now it's just a bit slower. It's really strange because you want to run, you want to walk and get into space, and you can't get it in time. So that took a bit of getting your head around. You have to think about it more because you can't get to that space quick enough, so you have to think more about where you're going to go and where you're going to play the ball, so maybe 2 passes as opposed to 1.
Everybody loves it. Everybody loves it. Without not much contact, this is great for us. And it's exercise, it's getting you out of the house when probably you wouldn't have that exercise. You wouldn't go in the gym maybe, it's all swimming. So, but you play football, your head's concentrating in on the football. Love it.
We also linked up with Drinkwise Age Well, who kindly agreed to sponsor some kits for them.
Yeah, Drinkwise Age Well is a national programme. It's an alcohol service for over 50s, but the main focus is to help people make healthier choices about alcohol as they age. The over 50s are often socially isolated. Perhaps they've experienced a number of life transitions. You find they've got a lot of time on their hands, so we've been sort of actively seeking some sort of forms of community engagement around exercise and hobbies, and walking football fits that perfectly.
Anybody wants to come along, we're at the Hawthorn, 11 o'clock every Wednesday. Come along, try it, first session will be free, and then you'll just join in with the gang then.
How many hits on YouTube are you going to have with this now? Well, about 4.